Still on graft, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Ingonga, has defended his office over allegations of selective withdrawal of high-profile corruption cases. According to Ingonga, such decisions are based on the evidence presented and the need to safeguard public funds when cases do not meet the evidential threshold for a conviction. As Francis Mtalaki reports from Mombasa, the DPP is urging investigative bodies to ensure that evidence is robust and beyond reproach, so his office can mount a spirited fight for conviction.
The Office of Director of Public Prosecutions has recently faced sharp criticism and legal battles over its move to withdraw some high-profile corruption-related cases. DPP Renson Ingonga has defended these actions, stressing that the law allows for withdrawal when there is insufficient evidence to sustain a case.
Some of the charge sheets we normally get, somebody is arrested today, the charges are framed, the charges may be right, the particulars may be right, but the quantum, in more often than not, is not right. Because somebody just thinks, yeah, he's told this must be this much. More often than not, the actual amount will never be what you have seen in charges at times.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and the DPP's office have at times clashed in court, raising questions about the fight against graft. Ingonga faulted the EACC for not conducting thorough investigations in some of the cases.
If you follow some of the cases, you'll find within time or over time, we review some of the particulars and now give the right figure after reviewing. If you remember very well, the case of, which one? Natembea. You remember what EACC had said? What did they say? 1.4 billion. When we went through the evidence, we are only able to establish evidence for 3 million. That is the only one we went to court for. But somebody else will think it was 1.4 billion. Yeah? When you come to the actual evidence, what do you get? Because again, it will be wrong for you to say somebody has stolen this much. Even when you have evidence and the actual figure is this one, it will fail.
According to Ingonga, his office approves charges based on the evidence provided. He says investigators must prove beyond reasonable doubt that a conviction is likely. DPP says when issues arise during trial, casting doubt on a case, he may have no choice but to seek withdrawal.
You should ask the DPP what is the advantage of withdrawing a case, as opposed to going to full trial when I know very well this is an acquittal. Because after that acquittal under Section 210, in lack of evidence, that person can still sue the state for malicious prosecution.
Ingonga adds that withdrawing cases with insufficient evidence protects public interest and the administration of justice, avoiding billions of shillings in potential compensation claims.
We lose millions, billions in compensation. But when you withdraw before acquittal, you can't sue for malicious prosecution. You can only sue if you have been acquitted.
Francis Mtalaki, Citizen TV.